My mind's been enchanted, so my love is increasing, but I'm still controlling and capping everything. Now, grihita manasa, my mind has been totally seized. One thing is to be enchanted and captivated and excited and thrilled with the proposal of love or the attraction of the beloved. But then someone seizes your mind. They seize your house or control your house. That's difficult. And now Krishna came in and said, listen, nothing left now. Atman, Atma, body, mind, self, everything. This is Govinda. That's very particular why Vyasadeva chose the word Govinda. He could have chosen Madhav, or again Krishna, or again Bhagavan, or again Damodar, so many names. But Govinda, because Govinda has so many special meanings.